Hey everybody, I'm out in my natural habitat again, back in the woods. I'm going to do a quick 10-hole hunt. It is snowing, so I don't know if I'll have time for anything more than that. Looks like they've cleared a load of wood from over in there, so I might have a little look over there. But I'm going to have a nose around and see what I can find. See you at the first target. Well, most of the woods is very difficult. It's overgrown. It's tough to get into this part of the woods. It's a new area that I'm trying out in this woodland, which I've never been to. There is this little patch area, as you can see, where they've been cutting trees down. So I'm going to get in here and have a little look around. I have a signal, although my concern is don't know, 60s. It's not deep. Oh, that's soft soil. Wasn't expecting it to be. It's out. My guess is aluminium, but we never know. Hope springs eternal, as they say. Well, yeah, it's a mayonnaise tube. Very cool. Good to get that out of the way. Shouldn't be in the woods. Moving on. Target number 2. 2829. Probably aluminium again. Well, it's not as such aluminium. It's part of a pen. Let's have a look and see if the rest of it's there. Give me a second. No. Okay. Cool. Second target, part of a pen. See you at the next. I think you can see a little bit of snow coming down every so often. It's not really heavy at the moment. Third target is jumpy 70s, 80s, and it seems to be right up against this tree trunk. So I don't know if I can get to it, but it's close to the surface. Let's have a look. Yep. That's interesting. It's right in by the tree trunk. So should be in that lump there. It is. Is that it? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, it definitely is. Okay. I don't at this moment know what that is, but I suspect it's aluminium. Unusual numbers for something of that shape, but I'm pretty sure it's aluminium. Okay, moving on. Target number 4. 60s, 60s, 70s, mid-tone. Could be aluminium. Oh, soft earth there. Okay. I don't know exactly where that is. Let's have a look. Right on it, it seems. So it's apparently in there. Oh wow. Would you Adam and Eve it? Oh, and that's a beauty. Oh wow. Okay, that was not at all what I was expecting. It just scratched a tiny bit there, maybe, I'm not sure. But only a teeny weeny bit. Sorry guys. Target number 4 is something incredible. Look at that. I think that's probably the best one I found so far. Is a complete Crotal Bell. With a lovely pattern on it. I'll clean that up, try and get the dirt out of it and see if it rings. And yes, the snow's coming down well at the moment, but that's amazing. Moving on. Number 5. The target up in the 90s. I'm guessing that's got to be some kind of can or trash. If I can get in there without disturbing too much. It's quite easy to do it though. But not there. Okay. See if we can turn that over. I don't know where it is. Don't want to damage too much. It's one thing when you do hunting in the woods, try and be careful of the bigger roots. Smaller roots are not so bad, but the bigger roots you have to be careful of. Okay, I'll come back with you in a minute now, if I can find it. Well, that was a bit difficult because it was just tucked underneath a root, and although I could detect it with the pinpointer, I couldn't see it for a while. But it wasn't as deep. It wasn't too deep, but oh, look at that. Okay, it's the tongue and shape is missing, but the actual buckle itself is all there. Okay. Yeah, that iron central piece would have had 2 pieces, like a pronged piece and then a different shaped piece on this side. And that would have been a shoe buckle or something like that. That's very cool. That just shows the history here. Okay. Moving on. Number 6. The 40s, 30s, 40s. No idea what that is. It's not deep. It's out already. Still 30s, 40s. So what's it going to be? Piece of aluminium? Hope not. But actually, I've had 2, or at least 1 amazing find so far. Oh, okay. Well, well, not surprised. I'm in a woodland, but that's a pistol shot. Yeah. What is it? Is there a hole through it? Oh. Okay. Not sure about that one. If there's a hole through it, then it's something else, but I'll take a look at it later. Cool. Number 6 is a musket ball or something like that. Pistol ball. Moving on. Number 7. '80s. Now, I like the 80s normally, but it could be rubbish also. It could be like a mayonnaise tube. They are a nuisance. Sometimes the sausage ties also give a cracking signal. Still 80s, look at that. 83, 82. Okay. What do we have? It's in here. Oh, okay. Nothing too exciting, but it's a button. Now, some of these buttons are used for on the hides, so it might not be a clothing button. It might be off like a cover that they've used for one of the hides. Okay. See you at the next. I'm lost again. I don't know if it's 7 or 8. It's got a number 7. You perhaps you get 2 7s. 96. 96. What on earth can that be? Nothing good, probably. It's not deep. No, stick. Still 95, 96. Okay. What do you guys think it is? Oh, it's gone. Okay. No. I'll come back to you in a minute. Sorry for save you wasting your time. I'll come back to you in a minute when I found it. Hang on, guys. Should have kept you rolling and just lifted over that clod to the one side, and there it is. It's a blue stake, probably used for tree planting. So that gets reburied and left. Okay. Well, if that's a double number 7, then that's yeah. Well, we won't mention that. Moving on. Number 8 is a bad signal 20s. Normally that would be aluminium. But we'll have a look. Because you never know unless you dig. Okay, that wasn't quite what I was hoping to do, but anyway, have a look, see if we're somewhere near. Sure it did. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That it, that tiny little piece of aluminium. Woohoo! Moving on. Number 9. 70s. I have no idea. Aluminium again, I guess. But who knows? Oh, look how that's changed now. Does not like it now that it's over. Okay. Don't hold out much hope for this one then. Is that it? Okay. Really? That little thing making all that noise. Okay. Don't know. I'll have to clean that up later, but it's green, so it's obviously copper of some kind, but I don't know what it is. Okay. Moving on. Number 10. The 30 signal on this machine. No idea. 30s can be interesting, can often be rubbish as well. Hopefully that's 34 now, 36, 35. So the question is, what is it? Okay. It's in there. Oh. Okay. Cool. What is that? I mean, it's a coin. I think it's just yeah, it's just a 5 wrapping coin, so it's a modern one. But finishing up on a coin is always nice. And what is it? 2014. Okay, cool. Moving on. So a quick wrap up for this one, which was a little bit of an epic 10-hole hunt again. I mean, I've had a few of them. I don't know what this mark is on my screen just here. I thought it was a hair, but I don't seem to be able to get rid of it. So I apologize, guys. I will perhaps get that looked at some point. 5 wrapping coin, 2011. Not particularly great find, but always nice to find a coin on a hunt. A 3-hole button, which is usually used for canvas, for hides. A piece of nondescript, what looks to be copper. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, I don't know. It's got a lump missing out of there and a lump missing out of there. Don't know if that's a musket ball. It has like a mark on the side there. Don't know. This, I have no clue. It was tucked up against the base of a tree. It's very shiny. It's got some weight to it. I don't know if that's aluminium. It's hard. So yeah, I mean, that is very sharp in there. There's a little piece of metal sticking out there. That's very sharp and very hard, which normally aluminium wouldn't be. It would be flexible, but it's not. So could that be silver? Don't know. Have to look at that. A really nice shoe buckle. Always like to find these. These are amazing. Not the best one I've ever found, but certainly a very nice one. And he's got the central bar there, which was made of iron, and obviously the tongue and shape was also made of iron and is missing. And the pièce de la résistance, or however it's said, probably butchered that, is this beautiful Crotal Bell. Certainly one of the nicest ones that I've ever found. It's totally complete, and it's a ringer. And it looks like 70 or I was thinking CL, but perhaps not. Perhaps it is 70, and it's beautiful. The detail on this is amazing. Very, very happy with that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully a lot more history coming out of the ground soon, and I wish you all a wonderful year ahead, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Moving on.